Are you a parent and concerned about your child's full potential? Is your child struggling in school? Are you a working professional and lost in your career and seeking to excel in your chosen field? And finally, now you are ready to reach your full potential. Allow me to introduce a powerful tool that can shed light on your talents, unique abilities, and potential. And it's called Mindful NLP's DMIT test. This test will show you the path to a happier and more fulfilling life. This test uses your fingerprints to unlock wealth of information about your learning style, strengths and weaknesses, aptitude and communication style. It's a roadmap to understand yourself better and your innate talents, all encoded within the ridges and patterns of your fingerprint. As a parent, this test can help you understand your child's unique learning style. You will learn how to motivate them effectively, how to choose right educational career path for them, how to foster their natural talents, how to choose the right subjects, and improve their academic performance. As a working professional, this test can help you understand your ideal career path, improve your communication with the colleagues, develop your leadership skills, face career challenges, and find out your strengths and weaknesses with ideal working environment. Just imagine having a blueprint of your unique abilities, helping you make informed decisions and chart your path towards success with confidence. So if you're ready to unlock the door to your full potential, take the first step towards a brighter future. Click on the link below and book your Mindful NLP's DMIT session now.